How to get invoice from Trip.com. To obtain an invoice from Trip.com, follow these steps. Log into your Trip.com account, access the Trip.com website or app, and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the My Bookings section to view your reservations. Choose the booking for which you require an invoice. Click on Manage My Booking to view detailed information about your reservation. Request the invoice within the booking details. Look for the option to request or download an invoice. This may be labeled as Get a Receipt or similar. Provide necessary information. If prompted, enter any required details such as your name, email address, or company information for the invoice. Download or save the invoice. After submitting the request, you should be able to download the invoice directly or receive it via email. Utilize third-party services, optional, for automated invoice retrieval and management. Consider using services like Get My Invoices, which can automatically download and organize your Trip.com invoices. By following these steps, you can efficiently obtain invoices for your bookings on Trip.com. Ensure that all information provided is accurate to facilitate the process. That's it. Thanks for watching.